Hi everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to change a battery in a Nissan Navara NP300 key fob. So this is a smart key that comes with the vehicle, which is keyless start. So first of all, in case you didn't know, there is a real key which is located in the key fob. So you literally just push that little catch across and it pulls out. And to actually get into where the battery case is, it's a case of, you'll see there's a little area there where you can just get you obviously need a very fine nib screwdriver, and it's literally just a case of twisting. It's quite fiddly. Be very, very careful when you're doing this, because you don't want the screwdriver to slip inside. There you go, you just hear a click there. Obviously if you push the screwdriver too far in, you'll damage the internal workings of the printed circuit board. So it's just really a case of getting it in there very, very slowly. Just prise it apart. Work it around both sides. There you go. Now, in here we've got it came with a 2025 battery, but I've just swapped out one of on the other fob, and I replaced it with a 2025 and I couldn't get it to work. So I've actually tried a 2032 in it, which is the same diameter. I'm pretty sure it's the same diameter, but it's ever so slightly thicker. And I think that the 2025 just wasn't, for some reason, the contacts on the buttons weren't making contact with it. So this time I'm going to be using a 2032. Open that up carefully. So carefully pop it in there. So it does take a little bit of fiddling around with. Obviously the key will go back inside like that. And there you go. Job done. Bob's your uncle, and you've now got a working key fob again. Thanks a lot for watching. All the best.